Gender inclusion is a concept that transcends mere equality. It's the notion that all services, opportunities, and establishments are open to all people, and that male and female stereotypes do not define societal roles and expectations.
Gender bias in the tech industry is a challenging effort that requires serious commitment. Ensuring gender diversity allows products and services to be developed with inclusivity in mind, which helps organizations thrive.
Tech industry is one that's constantly making breakthroughs and takes the lead in improving many lives. Just imagine what more we could achieve if our sector was more inclusive.